ClearProCut software, a precision cutting solution tailored for specific vehicles, redefines the standard. Powered by 3D modeling, intelligent algorithms, and a real-time cloud database. Our exclusive vehicle database covers over 10,000 models worldwide, delivering millimeter-level accuracy. From body kits and interiors to window films, sunroof protection, and headlight protection, every part is purpose-built and constantly updated. Latest models from luxury and high-tech brands, from sedan, SUV, MVP, sports car, as are added to the cloud as soon as they hit the market, ready for immediate use. With one-click edge extension, just select the panel, set the parameters, and you're done. AI-enhanced layout optimization removes manual complexity, boosting speed and maximizing material efficiency. A visual assist interface gives you a clear view of the full vehicle template, making alignment effortless.
Enjoy 24/7 status synchronization with updates on new models within 30 days of release.
From millimeter-level precision to brand-level excellence, because every luxury vehicle deserves bespoke protection. ClearPro. Feel the new clarity.